Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. I'm not keeping well, so please ignore the way I sound. So today I'm going to review Livon Hair Serum, and this is one of the best serum that is available in India because it is very affordable and it does wonders to hair. So before I head towards this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to know whenever I upload my video. With that, let's head towards today's video. So this product is Livon Silky Potion Detangling Hair Fluid, and this is in the market for very long. I have been using this from quite some time now, and this is a really good product. And what is really good about this, that it actually protects hair from damage, and I have actually seen that because I have been applying this for very long. So what happens is, when a person with curly hair, frizzy hair or wavy hair, when they wash their hair, they may notice that their hair gets tangled very fast. And when you comb your hair, you may see a lot of hair fall. Now to avoid that hair fall, you need to apply hair serum. That is why there are many hair serums in the market, but they are very expensive. This one is quite affordable. This is 100 ml bottle which costs about 230 rupees, which is very good for hair serum, because if you see some other hair serum, they are really expensive ones. So this is quite affordable and a good one, and easily available in the market, even online. If you check Amazon and all, you will get a really good deal. So keep checking, because you may get this for a lesser price with Amazon. So what actually happens is, when we apply shampoo, when we use heating tools, when we color our hair, when we use any kind of chemicals on our hair, we are damaging our hair completely. So to protect our hair, we need to apply serum. So not only to detangle our hair, but even to protect our hair from any harsh chemicals, we need to apply hair serum, and for that, Livon is really good. So now I'm going to tell you how exactly you're supposed to apply this hair serum. Now you can see this comes in a bottle like this, और इसमें एक छोटा सा भी आता है. That is also something which you can buy to see if it works or not. So it's very soft. इतना पतला है ना, if you touch it, it's not like oil. It's very soft and very thin. And the fragrance is also very good. Right now I'm having cold, so I cannot actually smell it. So I don't know the exact fragrance of this product. So after you wash your hair, make sure to dry your hair properly. And once you dry your hair, don't dry it completely. Even a little bit of wet is fine. So once you dry your hair, divide your hair into two sections like this. And then just comb your hair. Do not comb roughly, just gently comb your hair. And then take this Livon Serum. Just take 2-3 drops. You can take according to your hair type and according to your hair length. And then just rub it between your palm and apply it from the roots. So just apply it like this. Don't apply this on your scalp, because you're not supposed to do that. Just slowly apply this on your hair. And apply this on your end roots, because the hair gets tangled in our end roots. So apply it here. इससे बाल बहुत soft होता है. I can actually see a difference, because if your hair is frizzy and if your hair is really rough, you must apply this. And if your hair is really dry, then you must apply this, because ये बाल को actually silky और smooth करने में मदद करता है. तो आप इसे अच्छे से लगाइए, especially towards the end of your hair. मैं थोड़ा और यहाँ ले रही हूँ. थोड़ा ऊपर भी लगा रही हूँ, but not in the scalp. थोड़ा बालों के बीच में भी आप ऐसे लगा सकते हैं. And after you apply this, very slowly comb your hair. It actually feels really good, because the hair is already very soft and silky. और आप जैसे देख रहे हैं कि बाल टैंगल भी नहीं हो रहा. बहुत easily मैं comb कर पा रही हूँ. And that's it. You're good to go. You're done. And you can do any kind of hairstyle you want. You can play around with your hair however you want because your hair is completely detangled and it's already very smooth and silky. So my hair is really frizzy and it's extremely dry. So I apply Livon so that the dryness is not seen at all. So guys, I hope my video on Livon was helpful to you. I hope you got to know how exactly you're supposed to apply this serum. If you like my video, then please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Before you go, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also do share this video with your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you all soon with more videos. Till then, bye!